Hey pals, John here with the LensPal, and today we're going to take a look at this, the DJI Mavic 4 Pro with Fly More combo. We added this to our shelves a little while back and it's already been a popular hit, which is why we haven't had a video sooner. This is the latest Mavic Pro drone from DJI. We have a number of improvements on this one, so let's just jump right into it. First up, we have a new gimbal on the front that allows for, they call it a 360-degree infinity gimbal. By my reckoning, it actually does an extra half turn more than 360 degrees, so I think that's like 540 degrees. Yeah, 540 degrees. So that actually allows you to do Dutch tilts, Dutch angles, and rotate from one way all the way to the other way here. So from one, that's a full 360 degrees, and then you get about another 180-ish degrees, maybe a little bit more going the other way. So that allows you to get some really creative shots that haven't necessarily been possible with DJI's previous drones. You may have noticed that we have a triple camera system up front. On the top is a 100 megapixel Hasselblad wide angle sensor that is capable of recording 6K 60. We also have two more cameras down here. One is a 48 pixel, that would be a rather tiny image. One is a 48 megapixel medium telephoto lens, and the other is a 50 megapixel telephoto lens. So yeah, you have quite the range of wide to telephoto on this. Both of the telephoto and the medium telephoto are capable of capturing 4K 60, and as I said before, the wide angle Hasselblad can do up to 6K 60 because it does have that 100 megapixel sensor behind it. In terms of software, as that is always an important thing with these drones, we have new improvements there as well. So we have a front-facing LiDAR system on this that helps with obstacle avoidance, which now you can avoid obstacles in light as low as 0.1 lux. So if it's really dark outside, you can still avoid obstacles, not just forwards, but actually in an omnidirectional direction, in all directions, I guess. We also now have active track 360 degrees subject/vehicle tracking. So you can draw your little box around your subject and this will track it a lot more accurately, a lot closer than previous iterations that we've seen from DJI. As this is the Fly More combo, you're also going to get 3 batteries with this, a couple of spare propellers in case the worst should happen, and we're including the RC2 controller. So this is the one where it has Android built into it. You don't need to connect up to your phone, and it'll just, touch screen and give you back the video feed from the drone as you're flying right here on the controller. So there you have it. The DJI Mavic 4 Pro with Fly More combo is available on our website right now at thelenspal.com, where we do rentals from 2 days all the way up to 90 days. If you found this video helpful or informative, or if you'd just like to see me play with things that are capable of cutting my head off, please consider giving us a like, subscribe, share, tell a friend, smash a bell, and whatever it is DJI's social media team is saying this week. And until next time, we'll see you soon, assuming this hasn't cut my head off.